very hot here.
And it's still a long way to walk. So, good luck. We have to walk 25k just to swim in the falls.
Really?
Struggle, but good.
I hope we are the only one there.
No,
I don't think so.
yeah, full of people.
Them good times and laughs that I shared yesterday that I have today. I'm so grateful 'cause I can say that I remember.
Almost at the beach now.
We're almost at the beach.
Normally,
At the beach, huh? Not in the falls yet.
normally we walk this way up. It's so easy now to walk it down, right?
Yeah. So I suppose,
But now I return. Yeah. Sometimes everybody gets caught wishing they had another life, had another mission. They gotta make that incredible decision to check along and surface in light. Yeah, we all have to make the choice to rise above it.
How do you like it here?
it's fantastic here.
Yeah?
Really enjoy here.
Yeah, so then I take a deep breath, step back, relax. I think about all the good times and laughs that I shared yesterday that I have today. I'm so grateful 'cause I can say that I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment of love, and I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I receive what I return. I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment of love, and I remember what it was like to not know love.
Going home now. Party is almost over, but still to walk 6k.
How many hours? Oh my.